Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create product motion graphics in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and click on Video. Choose the Video Landscape format. Go to Elements, search for Strawberry, switch to Videos, and select a clip. Increase the size to cover the entire page and reduce the duration to 2 seconds. Zoom the timeline so you can edit more precisely. Next, go to Text and type your text. Change the font to Anton, set the color to white, and apply italic styling. Open Effects, choose Shadow, change the color to black, increase the blur, and raise the transparency. Resize and rotate the text slightly. Duplicate the text, change the wording, and place the layers close together. Repeat this step to create a third text layer. Open Layers and arrange them in order. Now, reduce the duration of the first text and apply a baseline animation on Enter with a custom direction. Do the same for the second and third text, adjusting timing and direction. Add a new page, insert a red circle shape, animate it with pop, then duplicate it, resize, and change the color to white. Add a circle wipe transition. Upload your product image, remove the background, place it inside the circle, apply chroma wave animation, and adjust timing. So that's basically how you can create product motion graphics in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.